If you watched the previous video, you'll know that I've just bought the 2025 Sur-Ron Ultra Bee from a UK dealership called Revolve Moto. Now, it was a demo bike, so it had only been ever so slightly used. It didn't have 0 miles on it, it had a grand whopping total of 7 miles on the clock. So this thing is just like brand new. Being the dealership's demo bike, they have already upgraded some stock components to take it to the next level. And if you're thinking of upgrading your Ultra Bee, but you're unsure of what upgrades to go for, then this video is for you. Now, first on the list is the Gripper seat cover by Fuse Racing. People tend to upgrade the seat cover not for comfort, but more for grip. These ribs should really make a difference out on trails when popping wheelies to stop you sliding around so much on the seat and keep you locked in. So that's a nice upgrade that I didn't personally do on the previous bike, the Talaria Sting R. Now, moving up from the seat, we have got the handlebars. This bike features some black Renthal fat bars, again all black, tying in that black theme. These bars have a similar rise and sweep to stock, however they are made out of a more durable material. I like the width and the height so far. We'll see after some time I may want a higher rise. There is a few different ways of achieving that without necessarily buying high-rise handlebars. Next up is the full carbon kit. This consists of the front mudguard, handguards, frame braces, rear mudguard, chain guard, and the headlight surround, which I haven't yet installed. Now, I wasn't 100% on the plasti-dipped carbon look. However, seeing it in person, it does look really good on the bike. The fitment of the front and rear mudguard is absolutely perfect, and the frame braces look miles better than stock. So if you're thinking about it yourself, but you're unsure, this is how it looks. Like I said previously, I do have the headlight surround. However, at the minute, I quite like how the stock gloss black breaks up the carbon between the handguards and the front mudguard, so I think I'm going to leave it as it is for now. Moving on to some more practical upgrades, we have the pegs by Full E-Charged. These pegs look and feel awesome. I've seen the stock ones, and just like the Light Bees and the stock Talaria Stings and Triple X's, they're garbage. So these are a big upgrade and much needed from the off. Had a different style on the Sting, which had more like bear teeth, as I'd describe them. And as much as they looked great, and they were definitely a big upgrade from the stock Sting pegs, these particular pegs feel far more robust and have bigger holes in the pegs themselves to stop mud clogging up as easily when out on the trails. So again, can't complain. Now, you might have already spotted the next couple of upgrades that we've got. We have the, again, fully charged Linkage and Triangle. This is a huge upgrade from the stock Linkage and Triangle. Now, I can't really compare it to the stock ones as I haven't ridden one with the stock Linkage, but from pictures and what I've read and previous experience with the stock Sting Linkage, this can only offer a better, smoother performance from the swing arm and suspension. Looking forward to seeing how we get on with that. And we also have the Electra MX axle block chain tensioners, which is another nice little touch. Simple, keeping in line with the black theme. Now, that is all the upgrades so far that came on the bike. You can see why I chose this bike in particular and snapped it up as soon as I saw it. Compared to the stock Ultra Bee, this was again a massive upgrade. And for a cheaper price than the stock road legal Ultra Bee, it was an absolute no-brainer. Now, let's have a look at the first little upgrades that I have done myself to the bike. Now, I'm quite a practical person, so I tend to go with practical upgrades before cosmetic, and I like to keep things protected. So the first thing I wanted to fit were some frame guards. I chose the all-black Artec frame guards, which will help stop boot rash, which is basically paint rubbing off the frame when wearing boot. I do want to get the matching swing arm protectors as well, so they're also on the list. I can only find them with the red branding though, and I want all black branding, which I think they only come in the full frame protector set. So if anyone has a new set of the all black Artec swing arm guards with the black branding specifically, or know where to get them, please let me know. The next little upgrade was of course some dust caps. You've got to treat yourself to some new dust caps. I had some lying around from the Sting. Again, just to tie in with the theme. And finally, so far up front, we've got some braided hose, just protecting the cables. I just thought it'd look quite good. Bit unsure of it, but So far, I think it looks alright. Let me know what you think. All in all, I think you can agree the bike is looking fresh so far. Let me know down in the comments if you have any recommendations on what you think I should do next. Should I install the carbon headlights around? What would you guys do if you was going for the murdered out look? Feel free to drop some pictures of your bikes in the comments as well. I'd love to see what you guys have done to yours. We have the first Ultra Bee ride video coming soon, which will be super fun to see how it compares to the Talaria Sting, top speed runs, and how it compares in the trails and whatnot. Will it feel too big? I'm not sure. There is only one way to find out. I'll leave it there, people. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that like button. If you want to see more Ultra Bee content, then consider subscribing if you're not already, and if you are, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy and peace out. Oh, that is so much better.